This is the Madison Reed Hair Color Kit. And I'm gonna do an unboxing for you so you can see what you get when you order it. I need to have some like exciting music. All right, so what you get in this box that I can't hold and open at the same time. Maybe I can. Okay, here you go. Here's your instructions. Here is your bottle, not to drink, not a bottle. This is the color activator. And what's cool about this, you just unscrew the top and it's already open. You don't have to go find scissors and cut it too big and slide it all over your hair. It's already open, just screws on and off. Then you get the color that you actually put in there. And then you get, what could this be? Let's see. Oh, I guess I know because it says on the outside of the box, but it's still exciting, right? Because it's an unboxing. Gloves. And there's more than one, there's 4, in case you have 4 hands. And this little box, what is in here? What is it? It's a cap. So you can pretend like you're like working at the cafeteria, scooping up some, no. You get barrier cream, cleansing wipe, shampoo, conditioner, and an empty box. That is the unboxing.